Hello and welcome to my channel Ruma's Classes. Today we are going to study subject-verb agreement. Now let's see what does an agreement mean. The agreeing of two or more elements in a sentence is called agreement. The agreement is in relation to number, that is of the subject, whether it is plural or singular, and the person, the first person, second person or the third person. The subject comes before the verb in a declarative sentence, that is a simple sentence, a normal sentence. The structure of the sentence goes like subject, that is S, plus verb be, and lastly the object O. Let's discuss a few important points. If the subject is singular in number, the verb should be singular. Ravi is playing football. Here Ravi is a single subject, so is, that is a verb, is singular. If the subject is plural in number, its verb should also be plural in number. My parents are going abroad. My parents is a plural subject, so it will take the plural verb with it, that is are. Also, the form of verb also needs to be modified according to the person of the subject. Sunana is playing and Ruhi and Ria are eating a pizza. So the subjects were in the third person, so the verbs are also accordingly. Remember, main verbs in the simple present tense take an S or ES ending when the subject is in the third person singular. Now what is third person singular? He, she, it, or a name. She loves to eat burger. She paints a picture. Here both the verbs love and paint have been provided with S as the subject is third person. Remember too, the verb also remains in its base form when the subject is in plural. They love to eat burgers, they paint pictures. Here the verbs love and paint are in their base form as the subject is in plural, that is they. Auxiliary or helping verbs such as be type, what are be types? Is, am, are, was, were, and have, that is has, have, had, possess different forms for different number and person. Now let's see a few examples. The bird dashed on a tree. Varun dashed to have biscuits with tea. Simran dashed her homework on time. The eagles dashed over the mountains. It dashed cold today. I dashed my friends at school. Now the verbs are already provided to us in these sentences. We have to fill them up. Let's look at the first sentence. The subject, the bird, is singular. So it will carry a single verb, that is sits. Again, Varun is singular subject, so single verb, likes. Simran again is singular, so single subject, does. Remember, all these are in the simple present tense. The eagles, this is plural subject, so it will take the plural verb as fly. It, again, it is the third person singular, so it will take the single verb is. Is a form of be verb. And I is a singular, but it is an exception, so it takes plural verb meet. Subjects like I and you are exceptions, so they take plural verbs with them. Now any doubts you have, please write in the comment box. I will reply. And if you learned any good thing from this video, please like and share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.